Pretty dang happy, surprised. Everything just looked good. I'm not ashamed to show my teeth to people now and let them see what Dr. Keith did. Well, my name's Steve McMillan, and I would tell you I moved out here 25 years ago to open a business. I originally busted out teeth water skiing as a kid. Water ski hit me in the mouth.
How many did it knock out?
3 of them in the front, and the nerve was hanging out, and that was a tough boat ride heading back to the dock. So I had another local dentist try to fix it, and they never finished. So that's when I just stopped going. And so for maybe 10 years, I don't know that I even went to the dentist once. Really can remember the days back then when it hurt to get dental work done. So I never had my teeth worked on until they would hurt. Yeah, they just started looking bad, and I wouldn't even smile. I just wouldn't smile. I wouldn't let people see my teeth. And being that I am in public all the time and seeing people, I got more and more embarrassed about that till it finally hit a point where I said, okay, I got to get them fixed. And if I'm going to do it, I'm going to get them fixed all the way. So I went about actually interviewing dentists, and I went to 3 different dental places. Walked in here closest to home, left it for last. And when I walked in and saw the facility, it made me feel super comfortable. The girls up front, the ladies could put up with me, set up an appointment with Dr. Keith, and we sat down and went over everything, and I gave him my concerns, and when he said, you're not gonna have those problems here, we're gonna get it fixed, and there's not gonna be a lot of pain, and he was right. And not one time did I walk out of here hurting, and it didn't hurt the next day either. So I would tell you I no longer have a phobia of dentists as long as it's Dr. Keith and his staff. The first day, I guarantee you, I was nervous and shaking and worried, and we came in, we sat down. I've had the same assistant through the whole process, which has been nice. They just made me feel as comfortable as they could. The way I chose to do it was the sedation dental. When I woke up, I was cracking jokes, and it was done. Woke up pretty much that evening, no pain, no anything. Fell back asleep early that evening, woke up the next day. So after about 3 of those procedures, I would tell you, man, there's been no pain since I left here, which is amazing. Pretty dang happy, surprised. Everything just looked good. People tell me how good they look. My close friends that know say something and get several compliments. I think my best feeling is knowing that I've taken care of it and that it's done right, and that I'm not gonna have to worry about it. And if there was an issue, I'm gonna call Dr. Keith and come up here and he'll take care of it. It's really good. There was no stress on me. There was nothing that he hadn't seen, nothing that he hadn't done before. He's a good guy to talk to. Told dozens of people. You walk in his office and you think you're in North Dallas. It's a facility that takes total care of whatever you need. So the facilities are top notch. It makes you feel more comfortable when you see that. It's calm, it's happy. My Google review would be 5 stars, and there's no other way to say it. From the girls at the front desk, to the assistants that they have, to the facilities, to the doctors themselves. It's a 5-star review.